Yes, people, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, man, big up on yourself wherever now. What from? Yard and abroad. Yeah, man, today my location is YS Falls. YS Falls. Yeah, man. So, guys, right now, they are waiting to go clock in, pay some money, and go up on the tractor and go for the falls. So, guess what, guys? I want to do? Stick and stay and watch up on the journey. So yes, my people, yeah man, we just paid our money and we got a ticket. Yeah, so right now we are on our way to the transit that will take us up to the falls. So guys, I'm want to do stick and stay and watch what go on. Environment is very pretty, guys.
We said bye.
Yes, it's a bye-bye.
Morning, General. So we are about to board the bus now. Yes, we are up now.
Why is the bus wobbling right now?
No, yes, sir. No, I'm sorry, Gabby is here. I don't want to sit on all this.
Alright, people, so we're on a good journey now, you know. Yeah, man, so we'll go by falls and now, so no stick and stay and watch what I'm on. Yes guys, we are at YS Falls right now. Yes man. So and then we can get on our water shoes. $10. $10 for it. Where shoes then? Alright guys, so the family there, the family them out, you know. Yes man. Alright guys, so we reach up at the pool side now. Yeah, they have life jacket and everything. So we are here, the bench. So yes guys, right now, see the view there. What happened? Alright guys, so they're on a little tour, YS Falls. Alright guys, so welcome to paradise. Yeah man, see it there? Yes guys, I know a thing going on. It's a week here. All the Jamaican birds and trees on it. Hidden treasure, Jamaica, hidden treasures. Over here is a big, here's the adult section. Yes guys, right now we are heading to the falls. Guys, when you come to YS Falls, always remember, no smoking allowed, swim at your own risk.
Your own risk.
Yeah man.
You know if you're drowning, man. Don't let me catch me again. I don't know.
Alright guys, so let me give you a little heritage thing about it. YS River emerges from limestone cave and spring high above you in the Breadnut Hills in the vicinity of Ipswich. From there, the river flows 30 kilometers, dropping to 7 falls to total 40 meters in height. The YS River is a main tributary of the Great Black River, the long navigable river in Jamaica. Guys, I'm on the walk again. Look at that guys, nature at its best. Yes my people. Sir Mark, yeah, when you come in my boss, them place you have to come. Guys, stick up in. Right now, me I tell you no, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice guys, cause trust me, the amount of effort that some people take to come here on a daily basis, you know, normal guys. Cause you see right now all the falls, yeah man, it helps to, you know, beat out all of the pains and all of some little sickness where you have in your body, you know. Yeah man, the place nice man. See the guys. Beautiful, beautiful. So yes guys, see the view here from up top. Don't reach the top of the falls yet, you know guys, but soon, pretty soon, you know. So yes, my people, actually at the top of the falls now. Yes, man. Steps them there, guys. They are wet, so you have to be careful. The money time, hot man.
Like fast.
Fast, you know? Fast, man. If you can't swim, if you can't swim there, say. Here, come in. Yes guys, right now I'm there at top of falls. Watch some people do some ziplining and all of them something there. I'm ready to go in the water here, you know, guys. Right now out here full today. Pop. Yeah man, so guys gonna stick or stay tuned and watch what I go.